What if I told you that the $3.9 trillion crypto industry as we know it will be completely eradicated by a $230 billion sleeping giant within the next 5 years? And I'm not talking theory here. I want you to look at this. Traditional crypto has a volume to market cap ratio of 4.2%. This new industry is nearly double at 7.2%. That's 72% more active money. But here's what kills me. Most crypto holders have no idea that this shift is happening right under their noses. They're sitting on dead money while a small group of investors are generating 40 to 60% returns per year on the exact same assets while having full appreciation. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this shift means for your money and why getting in early could be the difference between building generational wealth and getting left behind. All right, so here's what's happening right now in crypto. The current crypto market cap is sitting at around $3.93 trillion. Sounds massive, right? But when you look at the 24-hour trading volume, it's only $166 billion. Now, let me show you why that matters. $166 billion divided by $3.93 trillion. That is a 4.2% volume to market cap ratio. Basically, long story short, that just means that most of the money is sitting there. It's what I like to call dead money, basically, because it's not being traded and it's not being used. Think about it like this. You've got Bitcoin in your wallet. Maybe you've got some Ethereum. It's just sitting there doing absolutely nothing, waiting for the price to go up. Now, compare that to this little known industry with $232 billion in it. This industry is processing $16.8 billion in volume over the past 24 hours. Now let's do the math together. That's a 7.2% volume to market cap ratio. That is 72% more trading activity per dollar compared to traditional crypto. Now here's the thing. That $3.9 trillion, that's mostly dead money sitting in wallets. Some of it's completely forgotten, lost forever basically. But this $232 billion industry, it's growing 10 times faster. It's like the shift from keeping cash under your mattress to putting it in investment accounts that actually pay you dividends. Except instead of hoping that your crypto goes up, you're taking that crypto and you're making it work for you. You're investing your crypto to earn more crypto. Think of it like how the stock market evolved. It wasn't always about dividends and income generating strategies. It started with just buying and selling, but money flows to where it works the hardest. And right now, money is starting to shift from just holding crypto to this new industry where your crypto can actually generate income while you still own it. Now look, I know what you're probably thinking, Jake, this sounds too good to be true. So let me show you the actual math without any bullshit. Let's say you got $50,000 in Bitcoin or Ethereum right now. If you're just holding it in your wallet, you are making $0 per day, 0 per month, and 0 per year. You're making nothing. Maybe you're earning a couple percentage points, but that's still nothing in retrospect. Your only way to make money is if the price goes up. That's it. Now let's say that Bitcoin does what it's historically done, maybe 60% growth per year. Some years maybe more, some years maybe less. Let's average it out. Your $50,000 turns into about $525,000 over the course of 5 years. It's not bad, right? That's basically a 10x over the course of 5 years. But now, watch what happens when you take that same $50,000 and put it to work in this brand new industry. Instead of just hoping for price appreciation, you're earning income on your crypto. Let's say 30% per year on top of that 60% price growth. So now you're doing 90% total annual returns. Your $50,000 turns into $1.2 million over the course of 5 years. You had the same starting capital, the same crypto assets, the same market conditions. The only difference, one of them is dead money and the other is working capital. That's a $675,000 difference over the course of 5 years. And this is not speculation. This is the math. This is what happens when you understand how money actually works in the digital age. So let me break down exactly how this works in a way that, actually makes sense. You know how banks work, right? You put your money in a savings account, the bank takes that money and loans it out to other people. They charge interest on those loans. You might get 0.5% interest, but the bank keeps the other 4 to 5%, sometimes even more. The bank is the middleman at the end of the day. They make all the money. Now, what if you could become the bank? That's exactly what this new industry lets you do. Instead of Coinbase or Binance or Crypto.com or Kraken being the middleman, taking all the fees, you become the exchange. You become the bank. Here's a real example. This is a trading pool where people can swap between Ethereum and USDC, which is a stablecoin that is basically a dollar. When somebody makes a trade, they pay a small fee, about 0.15% per trade or 15 basis points. Now, if you're Coinbase, you're charging 2% per trade and keeping it all. But in this new industry, those fees, the 0.15%, get paid to regular people like you and me who provide the liquidity for those trades. So let's say that you invest $100,000 of Ethereum. Every time somebody trades, you earn a piece of that fee. Depending on how much trading happens, you could be making $80 to $160 per day. That's $2,400 to $4,800 per month in income from the crypto that you already own. Here's another way it works. You can lend out your crypto to people who want to borrow it, just like a bank loans out money, except you're cutting out the middleman. So think about it like this. Banks did this with your dollars for decades. They made trillions of dollars doing it. Now you can do the same thing with your crypto. You're not selling, you're not giving up your upside, you're just making your assets work while you wait for the prices to go up. And the beauty is, you're earning this income whether crypto prices go up, down, or sideways. So it reduces your risk over time because you're acquiring more assets, lowering your cost basis. Now look, you're probably wondering, if this is so good, why isn't everyone doing it? And that's honestly a great question. Here's the reality. Most crypto holders don't even know that this industry exists. You are lucky that you stumbled upon this video today. There's a massive education gap. And to be fair, this infrastructure has only recently become mature enough for regular investors to safely get involved. But here's what's changing right now. BlackRock, Fidelity, major institutions are moving billions of dollars into this space. And when institutional money flows, two things happen. One, returns will start to stabilize. They'll still be way higher than traditional finance, but they won't be as high as they are right now. And two, the opportunity for early adopters starts to close. Think about it. 5 years ago, you could have bought Bitcoin at $5,000. Today, it's $112,000. The people who understand what was happening early, they won. This industry is at a $232 billion market cap today. The total crypto market cap is $3.9 trillion. That gap is going to close, and it's going to close faster than you've ever seen. In 5 years, this industry could easily be $3 trillion or more. And when that happens, the returns will be gone. The question isn't whether this shift will happen. The question is whether you'll be positioned to benefit from it, or whether you'll be left holding dead money while everyone else is generating income from the same assets. All right, look, I just gave you a bunch of information that most people will never learn. So you're lucky that you saw this. You now understand why just holding crypto is leaving money on the table. You understand how this new industry works, and you understand why the window won't stay open forever. Now, all I ask is if you found this video informative and it kind of opened your eyes to a new opportunity, drop a like and subscribe when notifications turned on. And let me know the top crypto holding in your portfolio down below in the comment section so I can make some content around it. In my next videos, I'm going to show you exactly how you can take advantage of this opportunity today. Because in 5 years, you'll either be glad you understood this shift early, or you'll be wishing that you had. The choice is yours, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.